more unboxing to be done, and it's Hermes. So this one, as you know, I only collect this version of bag, and it's going to be so exciting because it is different from the rest of the other kinds of Birkins that I have. So right now, let me show you. So maybe we'll go through this. What I have on this small box, it is something that is of a precious metal. So what could be this precious metal? Anyway, I haven't been seeing you guys for a long time. Oh, is it long? No. Probably, but how are you guys? Tell me in your comments, how you feeling today? Talk to me. So here we have got this black box, and you know this is a precious metal. So let's open it up. There, in this box, there is a pouch. And what is in this pouch? Let's see. There you go. Is this my bracelet? It is an Hermes diamond bracelet. Can you see clearly? It is made of white diamonds and rose gold. Isn't it beautiful? I really love this design because on my hand it looks so glittery. It complements my look. I'm not sure how many diamonds there are, but we have to refer to the booklet, which is right over here. So let me see if it's written here. There you go. It's here. This has 130 pieces of diamonds, and it's a total of about 1 carat in size in terms of the total diamonds. So as you can see, 130 diamonds, smaller ones, and they are very white. I think they look like F color, and it's all brilliant cut. Rose gold right over here, and it looks very sweet on the hand. Very dainty little bracelet. And if you would have noticed in my past video, I have something similar to this bracelet, except that there are no diamonds in the middle, except for the 2 little pyramids at the side. I have the diamonds. So if you want to see that video, go to my video history, and you will see me unboxing another piece of this bracelet. Exact same combination, except for the middle part where there are no diamonds. So now I have 2 bracelets that looks almost the same. That's crazy, right? But I just think they're beautiful. Okay, so here we go. That's my bracelet, and the exciting part is over here. Let me unbox this. And if you were to notice, in terms of the ribbon, I find that the ribbon provided by Hermes now is thicker, they're fatter, and earlier their ribbons were thinner and smaller, but I'm not sure why. This time around is fatter, so it could be a new way of dressing up the box, I guess. And here is my scientist certificate. And when you hear scientist certificate, you know scientist is meant for exotic skin. So I've got a scientist cert here, so what can it be? It's not gonna surprise you, I guess, because if you know that this bag has a scientist cert, it is definitely going to be an exotic skin bag. And here it is. Boo-boo. My black color Birkin with rose gold toggle leather